Hello, it's Denny with Vertx. Today we're going to look at our Integrity outerwear program. First, we're going to start with our Integrity Base Jacket. It's a very compressible nylon shell insulated with 68 grams of PrimaLoft insulation. So you get great warmth in such a packable jacket. So you can roll this thing up into almost nothing. You'll notice the first thing we do is in the top of the collar here, we've got a Savoir suede lining piece there that makes it much more comfortable on your neck. In addition to that, we've got a center front YKK zipper. On the left chest, on the inside, we've got a nice pocket for additional secured items. Hand pockets on both sides, fleece lined for additional hand warmth. And then we run the Polartec hard shell fleece all along the side underneath the underarm gusset. So it gives you great mobility. This jacket is designed to fit very athletically and close to body. So we articulated things like in the elbow and all the way through the back as well to allow for that mobility. The base jacket can interact with the Integrity shell jacket, which I'll show you here. It's a nylon waterproof breathable jacket. It also has 37.5 vapor core technology into it. Again, you can find more information about that on our website. But essentially the technology is working to do two things. It's working to keep your core temperature regulated. So it's trying to give you more warmth when you need it, and also remove that humidity to keep you cooler in a longer changing environments and so forth. That's why we use it in our outerwear technology. So the first thing we'll look at is the hood. It's a completely removable snap away hood, and you'll see it's got multiple adjustments. Center back, and then also the left and the right front. The reason we do that with this form visor is if you're wearing a helmet or a ball cap or nothing at all, you can now cinch that down and get the exact peripheral vision you need. You don't limit your sight line whatsoever. All the zippers are YKK waterproof, seam sealed all the way through. On the left chest and right chest, we have additional drop-in pockets. Inside of those pockets, you'll see credential flaps that can come out. So if you need to embroider them, screen print them, these are all removable and can slide right in. The hand pockets are again both YKK waterproof zippers for that security. And then on the right forearm you'll also see another waterproof zipper here for a pocket. This makes a great place to put your cell phone because when you're in vibration mode it actually goes against your forearm and you can actually feel the phone. But it's additional storage there that is completely waterproof. The cuff has an elasticized area there for quick on access, and then Velcro cinches to be able to lock it down to exactly where you want it. As we work our way underneath the jacket, you'll see it's a two-way pit zip. So if you need to vent out, you can do that as well. But if you're wearing a weapon system, you have a snap closure down here and also a zipper here. So you can come down over top of the holster, cinch it down, and expose the weapon if you so choose. You've also got cinches on the bottom hem as well on both the left and right side, so you can cinch that down and avoid getting any wind blowing back up. As we look at the back of the jacket, we also have an additional patch here on the back. You can completely unzip it just like the front. This is completely removable. You can credential it out. It also has a Velcro closure on the top, so if you want to remove that hood and don't want to worry about losing that hood, it can store away in there as well. So that's the Integrity shell jacket. Now we'll look at the Integrity shell pant. So same fabric, same waterproof, breathable, 37.5 vapor core infused technology with it. We look at the back rise. You'll notice just like most of all of our Vertx pants, we keep the back rise higher than the front to give you that extra protection, especially when bending over, so not exposing skin. As we work our way down, you'll see it's a two-snap with a zippered fly. Working our way on the side, it's an elasticized strap as well, so you can cinch that down to fit exactly what you're wearing that day. Again, it's designed to be an overpant, so depending on what you're wearing or the time of the year, that may change, so this allows you to wear that pant and cinch it down to exactly where you need it to be. You notice we have on both the right and left side pass-throughs that Velcro to be able to access anything that you're wearing underneath there, and then both the right and left zippered hand pocket as well. As we work down the thigh of the pants, you'll see on both the right and the left side another YKK waterproof zipper. Allows you for more access there and more storage, and inside of there you've got an additional pocket, great for a cell phone or mags or whatever else you might be carrying. The knees on this pant are articulated, means they're sewn and patterned in an angle and a curve, so it allows you to have complete mobility and not get hindered in any way. The bottom of the pant is Cordura wrapped because that's where all the abrasion is going to typically occur, so we wrap it to protect it. You'll see there's a Velcro cinch here to be able to lock that down to whatever you need it to be. But you've also got a zippered closure, as you can see there, to be able to access over top of footwear. So we work our way to the back of the pant. You'll see there's 2 patch pockets with zipper closure for additional storage and security. So also in the crotch, you'll see that we add 2 vents here that are all zippered and have a mesh back as well in case you need to vent out. So these pieces all make up our Integrity Outerwear program, all available in black, and you can find more about this product on our website.